In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload files, photos, and videos to Google Drive and then share the link. This is fairly simple, fairly easy, and I'll show you what you need to do. So first, you want to go to Google and access Google Drive. This will be using your Google account, so if you don't want to use the current Google account in the top right hand corner, you can change it once you're inside Drive. There are two ways to access Drive. Go to the 9 dots in the top right hand corner, then find Drive, or just do a Google search for Google Drive. Once you've done that, you can then click sign in and sign in with the relevant Google account. Now here I am on a fresh Google Drive on my fresh Google account, and what we can do now is we can start to upload files, photos, and videos. Now what I would do is I would go home and I would first create a new folder. So click new folder, and then I'm going to call this files. Now inside of this folder, we can also create subfolders. So if we double click on this folder, we're inside of the folder, and they act like usual folders. You can create new subfolders. So we can call this subfolder 1, and obviously you can organize your files as much as you'd like. Now to actually upload files, there are two ways. So you go new in the top left hand corner, then you can go ahead and click file upload, and then you can find your files here. If you have a folder, you can go new, folder upload, and you can then upload a folder. So in my example, I'm going to upload a folder full of files. So to do that, you need to find the folder we're uploading stuff. We'll then click upload, and it's going to upload all of the files inside of that folder. So here is that folder. Here are the 3 files. We've got a video, a PDF, and a JPEG image, and it's recognized that, and then we can click upload. Now this will upload it to the files folder. We can move this around if needed. The other way that you can upload files is just by opening it in a file explorer, and then you can just highlight everything and then just drag and drop it into Google Drive. But since we've already got them uploading, we'll just leave it as it is. Now, because we don't need this subfolder, it is irrelevant. I'm going to just delete it. So we'll click on it and we'll click delete on the keyboard. So now we've got our files, and we've got inside of that the files uploading from the computer. If we go back home, you will be able to see it once it's uploaded, or if you go My Drive, here you'll see that folder. Now what you can do, you can either double click inside of the folder and share a specific file or a specific picture or a specific document, or if you want to share the whole folder, let's say for example, I want to share this files folder, we can right click, we can click share again. And what I would do, if you want to share it via a link, change it from restricted to anyone with the link. And this means that anyone with this link will be able to access it. You then click copy link, and you can then give it to someone and they'll be able to access the folder. Now, if you have this on restricted, you can still copy the link and give it to people, but when they try and access it, it will ask you to verify them, to give them basically access to the folder. And if you're obviously not available to do that, they will be waiting for your verification. So change this to anyone with the link, click copy link, and this link you can then give to anyone and they can access the files as and when they please. They can download them and do anything they want with the files. So I hope that quick video helped you out.